I just bought some Japanese Kit Kats, so I'm gonna try them out and see if they're good. This one's called Hojichi Roasted Tea. Oh. It didn't smell good, but it just tastes like white chocolate. This one's just got berries and almonds on it, so oh. Smells like dark chocolate. That one tastes pretty good. I think this one's like strawberry cheesecake or something. It's got a little cake. It smells good. That one's pretty good. This one's hazelnut, I think. Doesn't smell good. It tastes really nice though. Doesn't taste like hazelnut though. This one's got ice, almonds, raisins, and berries on it. Smells kind of like yogurt. Doesn't taste too good. This one's got like berries, almonds, and matcha on it. Cool. It's got like this stuff. Ah. Ugh. This one's just all green, so I think it might be like matcha or something. Just like that. Ah. This one's got a seal on it, so I mean, I don't know what flavor that is. Is it ice? It smells like yogurt. It's pretty good. It's got like pink on the inside. This one's another green one. It's like dark green. I really like the green ones. Doesn't smell like anything. Actually, that. Ugh. Ugh. This is like a black one. I think it's just dark. It's just like dark chocolate. This one's got like a penguin on it and snowflakes. Looks like cookies and cream or something. Yeah, that one tastes good. Tastes like cookies and cream. This one's like banana or something, I think. It's got like a banana picture. It's got that one's really good. This one just says hand talk, and then it's got a picture of Dracula. Oh, it smells really weird. I think it's like pumpkin or something. Tastes kind of spicy. There's another green one. I think it's just the same. Wait. Got a little bit melted. I don't like the green ones. I think they're all matcha. This one's just got like two people kissing on it or something. I don't know really what that is. It smells kind of bad. Ah. That one tastes horrible. This is just the last one. I think it's just a normal one. Yeah, it's just normal. Yeah, so that was me just trying all the Kit Kats. I'd say the best one was probably the banana one, and the worst are the matcha ones. They're pretty gross. Alright, goodbye.